Strong legs build a strong body. Today, we'll show you how to strengthen your leg muscles using simple and effective exercises. Squats are one of the most important leg exercises. They primarily target the thighs and glutes, helping build strength and stability. Lunges activate both the front and back of the thighs, improving leg strength, balance, and muscle control. Calf raises strengthen the lower leg muscles. Regular practice improves ankle stability and overall leg endurance. Wall sits place constant tension on the thigh muscles, increasing muscular endurance and mental focus. Step up with one leg and complete the movement under control. Step back down, then switch legs to train both sides evenly. Glute bridges activate the glutes and hamstrings, supporting hip strength and protecting the lower body. Stay consistent, focus on proper form, and over time, your legs will become stronger, more stable, and more powerful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and hit the bell icon. Like, comment, and share.